pictures.
Okay, speaking of kalumpang sa molo, your attention please. Ang mga sexy nga hiyas ng kalumpang,
wow.
makilalaan ta na. Ari to kanta sa Largata.
Nabuta hindi lang sa mga tumalanaw, kundi pati man sa kaanyag ang covered gym diri sa Barangay Kalumpang sa distrito sang Molo. Gindi pa matudaan sini mga dalaga nga kung ila man tagon hiyas. Nga basta taga Kalumpang, hindi lang abilidadan, kundi may beauty and brains man.
Should parents be punished for their children's mistake? Justify your answer.
Well, before I answer that, I want to greet all my friends who are here tonight, to all the parents and to all the board of judges. A pleasant evening to all of you. Well, parents should not be punished for their children's mistake. Our parents are just our advisor, the one who corrects us, directs us whenever we make wrong. And parents are not always there to see what their children are doing. And besides, mistake of one is mistake of one and not mistake of our parents. That's all. And thank you very much.
Wala man nadula ang presensya ni Congressman Jerry Treñas nga gindayaw gid ang malinalagon nga aktibidad. Isa naman kamasadya nga pagtililipon na nagapakita sa katahom sa mga Ilongga ang ato nasaksihan sa Largata.